A equal to true and B equal to false, and print A or B and save it and run. See, there is one operand which is true, that's why it's giving true, and another is false. It is ignoring that. But if we try to make it false, both are operands, and run it, it is giving false. And same with this, as I in the and protect, say B or A or B. It always gives the same result as before because it's the associative law. And with this, the operator's logical operator is done. I will show you some two examples to reinforce your concepts. One of example is age 25 and citizen equal to true. Then the another variable to vote equal to age, which is greater than equal to 18 or 16, whichever way, and citizen. Then print the to vote variable and save it and run. So this is the operand result which is giving true because citizen is true and it is also satisfying the 25. Thus it's giving true. Moving on to the next example. One variable is user input, which is equal to false, and default value which is guest, name, user input or default value. Then I'll just print the name and save it. I'll just clear this terminal. Okay, this gives you a result guessed because it's fault, so it will only give you the result. And in the string, if you give empty string, it is treated as same as the fault operator in the Python. Let's see what is the result. Yeah, similar guessed we have reported. So this ends my examples. Uh, I will give you one question. This is the similar to this. Please give your answer in your chat section. In a 2 second, I will give you the answer. If you given the answer false, it is right because age is here 15 and it's not satisfies this 18 parameter, thus giving it false. Then you can get it now. Another question is this. I will give you another 5 seconds to answer. You can answer. So the answer is true. From this you can see true and not y, which is again true. So it will always give true, and here it's all. So we need not check the what is here. Then it will give true. So this covers the logical operator, and I'm moving on to the membership operator. You can already guess from this name itself, this operator helps in verifying the existence of a object, and it rather gives values in true or false format. The result will be always in the true or else, which exists in this string or not, or in this data type, which is dictionary or list or tuple. So here we have two operators. One of which is in operator. So it will give in true when if the value is found in the data structure. See if you can see from this example. Fox. This is the sentence which is a string, and this is the word which is also a string. Here you can see fox is there. Fox is there. Then it will result in true. So I'll just implement this in my VS Code so you can better understand this sentence. The big big brown fox jumps over the simple over the word which is fox here, and I'll print if word is in sentence and save it and run this code. So you can see this giving true because it's there. And if I change, let's see car and save it and return run, it is giving true. It is giving sorry false. This covers the in operator. There is the not in operator. It is similar to in only, but it's verifies non-existence of this data type of this value in the data type. So let's see the code implementation. Where is this? Word is car is not there, so I'll just apply not in. Let's see what it will give the result. Let me clear my terminal and run it. So it's give true because it's not in this sentence. If I give fox, which is in the sentence, and save it, yeah, it's giving true. It's giving the correct output, which is false, as it is in the sentence. So this covers the not in operator. And here is a question for you guys, and you can give your answer in 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, this will give true because row is in there, and Ria, which is not there, which is we are getting true. Not in, it will always it also give true. Both of these will be true only. This is another question for you guys. Let me give you answer in 3 to 4 seconds. The answer is true, which will print this sentence. The word program is in sentence. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, this covers the membership operators for you guys, and I will move on to the identity operator. You can from infer from this keyword identity. It it checks the validity whether the object are same or not. You can learn from your various mathematical operators. Is a equal to b or not? And from the previous operators, it results in true or else form, true false format. So moving on to this, it is similar to the membership. It has two operators, is and not is, and is gives when the operator is same, as in you can see rows, lotus, rows and lotus, both of these sets are same. And if I give another C object, which is C equal to A, and if this print A is C, it will give me this true result, which I can see in the VS Code. Let's say A equal to something rows and let us be equal to, let's say, different tool, and C is I'm assigning the same memory address to A, and print C is A. Saving it, running this same file, and it gives true. If I change is B, let's see what is the answer. Clearing terminal and running the same output. Yeah, it's giving true. It's giving solid false, which is correct output here. Next, I will move on to this not is not operator. Yeah, it's very similar to the is, but it will give the opposite functionality from the is not, because it's verifying whether both are not similar, whether both are not same. Here we can see from this example, if I apply is not here and save it, let's see the result, which is different from this. Here it's giving false, and the previous example we have done, and it's giving true because it is not, C is not equal to B. And if I give A here and save it and run it, yeah, it's giving correct output, which is false because C is similar to A and it is giving false. So now moving on to the one more examples which I have done right now. And this is a question for you guys. You can give your answer in quick 2 to 3 seconds. So answer here is print str1 is str2. Yes, it's true because these are the same. Hello, hello. And the next is it is false because hello and world are not same. Yeah, this is another question for you guys. You can similar to this give an answer in 2 to 3 seconds. If you guess it, it's x is none. Yes, it's correct, which will give it true. And y is not n, which is also true because its value is 5, not none. Let's move on to this bitwise operator. This is one of last operators we will cover, and it has six types, which is AND, OR, and XOR, and negation, and left shift and right shift. This is very much similar to your Boolean algebra. It's copy and paste, but what we need to do is learn this operators you have to do. Don't use AND, but use this symbol in this Python implementation. I'll just quick run through these operators. Here is a simple and this is the gate which you are familiar in the Boolean algebra, and the similar truth table gives false when it is false. Both of the operator is false, and this is the implementation in Python. Let's quickly just go through this in VS Code. A equal to 5. You have to guess this in your 5, which is equal to 101 in binary format. I'll just write it 101, and B, let's say assume 3, it gives in binary format 11, and print A and B. See guys, this is different. So let's see what this will give in the terminal. Say it will give 1. You can just perform your binary techniques. Next, I'll move on to the just quickly go because it's very much similar to your Boolean algebra. I need not to go through much of the details. If you know, you can revise your Boolean algebra concepts. First, I'll just go through the operator how you can apply it in your Python. Here, this is or you can apply it as a single stroke length, and this is the Boolean algebra gate and truth table. It will always give true when both of these operators true. So quick run through in the VS Code. I'll just remove this and apply this 9 and save it and run it. See, is giving 7. As in 1, 1, it will give 1 and 0, 1, 1 and 1. So it will result in triple 1, which is similar to 7 only in binary formats. With this, I am going on to XOR. You can see from the XOR truth table, it will always results when both of these are different. You give 1, 1 only when both of them are different, and if they are similar binary objects, it will always give 0. And this is the gate representation, and this is the coding implementation, which I will show in 1 second. Each you have to remember is the this symbol or symbol, which is an exclamation you can call and run it in Python. Thus, giving 6, you can see 1 1, which will result in 0, I guess, and 0 1, which will give 0, and 1 0, it will also give 1 and 1. Thus, 6 is your answer, guys. So moving on to the next operator, which is not, which is I need not tell you. It just reverses the 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and this is the gate, and this is the uh, truth table. And if you want to see in the Python how you implement, just tilde. This is the no. This is known as tilde sign. You can save it and clear my terminal and run it again. Will get -6 because 5 is 6. 101, another one, which will result in negation 0, 1, 0. And this is another operator left shift, which just shifts to left side. You can see from my diagram, this is one number I have given, which is, and this will shift to uh, the left hand side, as in it will move this here from here to here to here. From 1, if it's 1, it will shift here. If it's 2, from the category 2, and we will add two zeros. If it's 3, we will add 3 zeros. If it's 4, we will add 4 zeros. From the original, which is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, it is now resulting in triple 4 only from this. Let me give you an example in the VS Code. A, which is 5, is 101. If I shift it by left, which is okay, that's correct. Let me shift by 2 values or 1 value to here and run it. Yeah, it's getting correct value, which is 10. As you can see, it will shift to 1, which is 1 0 1 0 plus equal to 10. Yeah, this is similar to your right shift, very much similar, but it will shift in the direction of right. You can see. This is the operator for right shift, and similar to this, I'll give you one one time shifting. See, the result has changed from the original 5 to 10 in the left shift and 5 to 2 in the right shift. 0 1 0, thus giving you 2 value in the decimal format. This is one of the examples. If you want, I can share. Just quickly go through them. A and B are very same. Let's just implement it. The combination of these operators A and B and let's, this is the OR operator A B prime result. Let's save it and clear my terminal for you guys and run the same. See, answer is 7. As you can guess, let's move on to another example. Let's give another C, which is 13, and let's increase the complications here. A and B, and again AND operator. C, I'm just shifting it in the left direction. My two values, and saving it, and let's see what is the answer. It's giving 0. You can see why it's giving 0 and will not explain. This is the same. This is the question for you guys. I will give you another 5 seconds to answer all of these questions. Then I will answer this. So I'll answer A and B, which is 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. Thus it will give you 0, 0, 0, because at the 0 this is gonna result in 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 0, and 0, 1. Thus 0 and 1, 0, 0. Same here, print A or B. 0, 0, it will result in 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So it will be triple 1, 0. And A XOR B, 0, 0 plus 1, I guess, and 0, 0. Okay, sorry, 0 only because it's similar. 0, 1, it's not similar, it will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Plus same this OR and XOR. Right now the answer is same. A naught, which will give in reversal of this. A 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1. This is the shifting which I have explained before, and this is the right shifting which I have explained before only. So this completes all our operator series. Now I'll go on to the branching. So let me explain you one thing. Branching is an interesting concept in Python. As the name suggests, these keywords will make the code branch. As you can see from the tree branch, there is a splitting here happen. How this in the code also it will happen. The flowchart is another representation of codes. But how will be branching is, and the splitting part is done by the condition. And you can learn this condition from these operators you have learned. So I'll move on to the if statement, which is a keyword. If helps in the initialization of split. And see, if we put if, then the branching will happen. And here we will use the age, as in the condition. The condition which will be, if the condition results in true, the if condition will move on to the whatever the statement here is. The block of code it's where we are seeing, it will execute. So in the if there is no else part, which is another keyword, it will not print the, if there is, it will not go into the termination. There will be no execution of this else part. but only the if part only block of code. See, age equal to 18. If age is greater than or equal to 18, this will print. So I'll just show you in the VS code. Age equal to 18, and if age greater than 18 and you are eligible to work, let's say save and then run. Yes, it's getting true. If I just tune it a bit, then it should not give me, it should give me nothing because we didn't execute our else part. This covers, you can refer this as flowchart diagram. This is the if else part. Here in you can see we can execute the else block. See, you can see it from the flowchart diagram. We can have the option of putting some code here. If it's true, this will print. This, if it's not, this will print. Let's move on to the same example. Let me just integrate else part and print you are not eligible. See, let's see what this new code will generate. You are not eligible. Scheme incorrect. Before that, there was no printing. I just nothing was there. Let's assume 20. Let's see what this will print. You are eligible to it. This line of code is been implemented. This covers if else and nested if. This is rather similar to this if else, but here we're just nesting our conditions here. There is one if, then in this one if we are just putting another if. Here you can do is by indentation. This is first level indentation, this is second level indentation because it is coming under this if part. Let me just implement in this VS code. If citizen, let's just do citizen, another variable, just true and citizen true, print you are eligible to work, else print you are not eligible. And so this will come here. Let's save it and see what is the answer. You are eligible to vote because both of these condition 20 is greater than 18 and citizen, which is true. Let's tweak it and let's say this is not a citizen. Let's see what happens. Thus, it is not printing anything because we didn't have any else condition in this nested part. And if I just can answer citizen is true, saving it and running it. Thus, you are not eligible to vote because age condition is not processing. As in, age not condition is not true. This is similar, but here you're just implementing the else part in the nested condition also. You can refer to this flowchart. This is one example. Let me just implement this. Age 25 is one true. And so citizen. Okay, this is the one. Sorry for the disturbance if it's coming. I have no control of this. 18 print, you get an, okay, sorry, if is member print, you get a 20%, 20% discount, else print you get a 10% discount, else if is member you get a similar 15% discount, else you get a 5% discount. This is the code you can see, and see this. Let's save it. Let's see what are the conditions. What is the output? You get a 20% discount because it is 25 and member is also true, and thus giving me 20. If I tune in a bit, let's give it false and save it and run this. You get a 10%. This code is running. So it's you're getting it, right? Thus this is another similar question to this previous example. You can give your answer in again 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, now I will answer. Salary is 45,000 and it is satisfies this if which is greater than 0. It also satisfies, it doesn't satisfy if else if salary 30,000 because greater than this, but it satisfies this 70,000 but thus medium income will be the answer. It will not print this else also, this else also. With this, my session is over. My colleague will guide you through the quiz session.
Thank you, Surya.
Okay,
So
thank you.
now we are done with today's lecture part. As you know, now we'll have a quiz. So I ask Srivatsav to please share quiz link as well as to start the quiz. After quiz, please don't leave. You have an activity session too.
Yeah, okay.
Srivatsav, if quiz link is live, please let us know.
It is live or no?
Please stop sharing screen. Yes. Quiz link is live now. I expect everyone to join quiz and give it. Srivastav, if it is possible to show results of quiz 1 now. while they're writing quiz.
Yeah, okay. Should I display it now?
Yes, if you can.
Yeah, okay. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you will continue to do great till final quiz. Here are your results for quiz 1. Thank you.